Hey, hello guys. I'm called Rashid, the MIQ. Don't ask what it means. Don't ask what it means. Okay, that will be given in another video. So stay tuned as we dive into our course. Yeah. So I'm a professional software engineer and at the same time a white hat hacker. Not because I'm putting on this white mask and these white gloves. Okay, a red teamer. Not because I'm putting on this red hoodie, okay? Not because of that. All in all, I'm also a hacker. I'll be your instructor throughout the entire course, and I'll be taking you from beginner to intermediate and then to the advanced level. Yeah? So please, before I continue, I need you to subscribe to this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and like the videos. So let's dive in and start our journey. So let us start embarking on our journey. So let us go. So what is Python? Do you want to know it? Let us get to know what is Python. So Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is easy to learn and understand. It is a versatile language that can be used for various purposes. Do you want to know them? Various purposes? What are those purposes? These purposes include web development, data analysis and science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and automation, game development, networking, education, many. There are very many purposes. There are many, to mention a few. There are many. Key features of Python. We want to know them. So if you want to know them like me, stay tuned. These key features of Python, the first one is it is easy to read and write. So Python syntax is simple and intuitive, making it perfect for beginners. So another one, it is a high-level language. So Python abstracts away many low-level details, allowing you to focus on the logic of your program. Another one, it is an interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. So Python's code is executed line by line, making it easier to debug and test. Another one, it is dynamic typing. So Python doesn't require explicit type definition, making it more flexible and forgiving. And another one, yeah, the last but not the least. Yeah, it is the last but not. There are many key features. So another one, it is large standard library. Python has extensive collection of libraries and modules that make it easy to perform various tasks. You get that? Okay, if you get that, so let us go into the real thing, the real programming. Let us go into that.